Exploding Kittens is a fun card game for 2 to 5 players. The goal of the game is to avoid drawing an exploding kitten card from the deck. If a player draws an exploding kitten card, they're out. Unless they have a diffuse card that they can play to save themselves. Whoever is the last player left in the game wins. To start the game, remove all of the exploding kittens and diffuse cards from the deck. Then, give each player 1 diffuse card. Shuffle the remaining diffuse cards and the exploding kitten cards back into the deck so there's 1 less exploding kitten card that there are players. Deal 4 cards to each player and place the rest of the cards face down in the middle of the table. Now, choose 1 player to go first. On your turn, you can play 1 or more cards from your hand if you'd like. When you play a card, play it face up next to the draw pile and follow the instructions on the card. For example, if you play a See the Future card, you can look at the top 3 cards on the draw pile. Make sure to read the instructions on the cards in your hand carefully. Certain cards allow you to play out of turn or skip your turn. Some cards don't have instructions on them. These cards can be collected and then played as a pair, 3 of a kind or 5 of a kind. If you play a pair of cards, you can steal a card at random from a player of your choice. If you play a 3 of a kind, you can tell a player of your choice what type of card you want from them. If they don't have the card you ask for, you get nothing. Finally, if you play a 5 of a kind, you can go through the discard pile and take any card you'd like. When you're finished playing cards from your hand, or if you don't want to play any cards, end your turn by drawing a card from the draw pile. After your turn, play continues with the player to your left going next. If a player draws an exploding kitten card, they're out of the game, unless they have a diffuse card in their hand. If a player has a diffuse card, they can play it face up. Then put the exploding kitten card back into the deck face down. They can place the exploding kitten card anywhere in the deck, including on top. Continue playing until only 1 player is left in the game. Whoever is the last player standing wins.